Hi guys, welcome to Lockdown Beauty Series at E Times Lifestyle with me Garima Bhandari. Today's video is all about how to make a simple homemade DIY lip scrub, and it's gonna leave your lips completely hydrated, super plump, and also completely moisturized and even look pink. Let's get started. So the ingredients that we're going to use for the lip scrub are this organic coconut sugar. If you don't have coconut sugar, you can replace it with normal brown sugar or even salt. I have virgin coconut oil, I have some organic honey, and I have extra virgin olive oil. So we have to mix these ingredients now and apply it on the lips. So let's first pour some of the few drops of olive oil, and then we'll use some honey, very little honey because it's just the lips, and then we'll use some coconut sugar, very little coconut sugar. Yes, and then we mix all this together. Now it's time we mix this scrub together, and let's start applying. Make sure that your lips are absolutely clean before you apply it, and then I'm going to be applying it all over my lips in circular motions. Keep applying it, and we have to do this for 1 to 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, we're going to just rub off the product with a wet warm cloth or with a tissue paper. So I'm using a tissue paper here. Do you see the difference on how my lips were before? And there's absolutely no lipstick, nothing on my lips right now. It just gives it such a smooth, moisturized, super pink, dewy glow. And now I'm going to top it up. After cleaning it, I'm going to top it up with extra virgin coconut oil, which is going to leave it super hydrated and moisturized, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So this becomes my natural lip gloss. Absolutely zero lip color, only exfoliation. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe E Times Lifestyle and keep watching this space for more.